How to have multiple Snapchat accounts on one phone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have multiple Snapchat accounts on your single phone. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open the Snapchat app, make sure that it is up to date. So to check, just go to your App Store or to your Play Store and update your app. This will ensure that you will have the latest features and that will be facing the same user interface. Now let's just head on and open Snapchat right here. And what we're going to do first is to log out of your current account that is logged in. So to do that, just click on your profile icon or your Bitmoji at the top left corner. And then let's click on the settings icon at the top right corner right here. Just scroll down to the very bottom and click on log out. Logged out. After that, we are currently on the login page. So to have multiple Snapchat accounts on one phone, just focus on these two buttons at the bottom part of the screen that says sign up or use other account. So you are going to add an existing account, or you can also opt to create a new Snapchat account. So if you want to create a new Snapchat account, just click on sign up right here and just create your Snapchat account. If you have an existing other Snapchat account, just click on use other account and log into that specific account. So I'm just gonna log into that. Once you've logged in, so to check if your other account is still logged into this phone, just click on the profile icon at the top left corner, click on settings again, scroll to the very bottom and click on log out. And we are currently on the login page. As you can see, you can easily switch through accounts that you have on your one Snapchat app on one phone. So that is how you can basically have multiple Snapchat accounts on one phone. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.